Welcome to the Big Braid Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from a reservation somewhere, taking a look at Gala and a few other metaverse coins to continue the night. We got Gala coming in at 0.0816, still above that 786 on the short-term time frame. Got a little bit of that creepy crawly action. Could possibly be setting up with the bearish butterfly scenario. Could be testing that support of the 786, just above that 0.0787. As far as making its movement to the upside, we have to get back over that 618 at 0.0978, grab some support and consolidation, start making some movement to the upside. Are we going to get some capitulation down to the downside? We still got to come back down and test that bottom. So, a lot of people talking about, is this the bottom? That just remains to be seen. We do lose that support at 0.0545. Definitely going to see some lower price action. I'm still lurking out here for some lower price action. A lot of people at the top calling for that lower price action. So, I'm definitely out here with some wishful thinking. So, but that just remains to be seen. If that support does hold, could possibly back into the market starts making some movement to the upside. A lot of projects out here, searching around for the bottoms, coming out amazing price action. I never thought we'd get this price action on Gala. We had, I was hoping for 44 cents, had some decent price action, and then come November we started looking towards that lower price action, and I just been backed off and just been waiting to get some lower price action because when you buy at those lower prices, your money just moves different. So loving the accumulation across the board, and I'm definitely excited to see where all this price action is going. When the market starts to do some decent recovery to the upside, we just got a lot of stuff going on. We got the Fed meeting just basically let us know that it's still happening. We still got a few a few different areas of a few more months where we're going to get another interest rate, and then a few more months and then something else is going to come out. So we just got to go with it, roll with it, and the people that I feel bad for are the people that aren't ready for this happening, and the people that are not informed about what's going on, and and they're just out here dealing with the high prices, and a lot of us out here are dealing with that price action as well. We got high gas, we got high food, and it's just horror across the board. But we just got to hang in there. Those of us out that are out here taking advantage of this lower price action, like a lot of the big people say, you got to be poor a little bit to before you get rich. But as long as you're throwing money into the as long as you're investing that cash somewhere, and that money's working for you. So we definitely got to keep an eye on that price action across the market. The market's back at that, basically at the same price action we were about a year ago. So, it's a good time to look around in the stock market and the crypto market. In the crypto market, we get amazing price action. We got Gala coming out at 0.08147. Amazing price action. So as far as Gala making some movement to the upside, we got to get back over that 618 at 0.09784. Grab some support consolidation, start making some movement to the upside. So if we do lose that price action at 0.07879, I'm definitely out here looking for this 0.05451. And if BTC does get some more dippy action, I'm still out here looking for this sub 5 cent Gala for some amazing accumulation across the board. So keep an eye on that price action, keep an eye on BTC, and we'll do a follow-up video tomorrow and see where we're at. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are reviews and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So keep an eye on the price action. We'll do a follow-up video tomorrow. Moving on up to Sandbox. Sandbox coming in at $1.46. Looks like it's getting some love. All right, is it going to try to break out of this downtrend? It just remains to be seen. As you can tell, it's been tried to make some moves up. We had some more dippy action, and here we are, got some more dippy action and a little bit of creepy crawly action to the upside. Are we going to make over that 618, just above it? Coming in at $1.46, had the 618 at $1.45. Is it going to hold that support? That just remains to be seen, but that's what we're needing for as far as making movement to the upside. We needed to get back over that 618 at $1.45 and start making some movement to the upside. If we can hold that support, that would be definitely, making some moves to the upside. But if we can't hold that support, could possibly just see some consolidation back down to the 786 at $1.17, with BTC being so undecided. This scenario could possibly be setting up for, for some, amazing price action across the board. $1.46. Just above that $1.17 at the 786. That's some amazing price action for the Sandbox. I've been out here looking for this 81 cents. Am I going to get that price action? That just remains to be seen. But like we were saying before, price action definitely has to come back down and retest that bottom. So where are we going to go with that price action? That just remains to be seen. So Keep an eye on that price action. And as far as making some movement to the upside, we got to get back over that $1.64, make our way up to the $1.84, and we got to get back over that 248 as far as getting some breakout action to the upside. So that would be the awesome, amazing bullish scenario with BTC being so decided. Could definitely just see some sideways action to the market starts making some movement to the upside. So keep an eye on that support at the 786 at $1.17, and keep an eye on that support at the 618 at $1.45. We'll do a follow-up video tomorrow and see where we're at. Moving on up to Mana. Mana coming in at $1.07, 2% up. Got that same scenario type is kind of setting up. Is this, retest of the bottom, and we're going to start making some movement to the upside? When you take a look at, multiple different charts, especially in crypto, kind of gives you an idea. It's kind of like a storyline. Some of the coins basically a little better than the others. So, as you could tell, we had the Sandbox making a little bit of moves to the upside, and we got the Mana out here coming out, just, possibly getting that bounce right where it needs to be, just above $1, coming at $1.07. So definitely excited to see where we're going. So if we can get back over that $1.13 and make our way over this $1.26, that would be some definitely, good looking moves to the upside, some trying to break out of that downtrend. That would be, looking like, might be trying to do something. So I'm definitely excited to see where that's going. But if we do come back down and test that support at the 618, because we are coming in at $1.07, so just above that support at the 618. If we do come back down and test that support, if we do lose that support, definitely going to could see some lower price action for a few of the other coins out here that we were looking at over through the night. Same scenario was kind of setting up, but they had more of that bearish butterfly scenario setting up to it. So yeah, could this be setting up with this as well? It's pretty likely, but just remains to be seen. This a little bit of green candle, especially on Sandbox as well. It's very interesting to see where we're going into the evening. So definitely excited to see where we're going with that. Is it going to make a little bit of moves to the upside? Just remains to be seen. So keep an eye on that support at the 618 at $1. So if we lose that support, definitely see some lower price action. I'm looking for this 82 cents. So for everybody in Mana, we'll do a follow-up video tomorrow and see where we're at. So everybody in Mana, good luck. Moving on up to Hero. Hero coming in at 0.0161, holding that same price action as well. Just like as we were talking in Mana, I was talking about that little bit of a bearish butterfly scenario that's been kind of showing up on multiple coins. So as you can tell with Hero, it's got that same kind of scenario set up, and the charts on different coins are different, but as far as the market and the outlook with like BTC, some of the coins will show where the pattern of the rest of the market's going to go, but you just have to look at enough of them. So as you can tell, like Hero's got that same creepy crawly action to the upside, but it's got a little bit more of that bearish butterfly scenario. So when I see this starting to set up, I start thinking capitulation down to the downside, and I start looking for some lower price action, possibly some sideways action like we've been talking about in the last few videos. So we definitely keeping on that support at 0.01212. If we do lose that support, I'm definitely out here looking for some lower price action. And as far as getting some bullish moves to the upside, we have to get back over that 786 at 0.02290. Grab some support and consolidation, make your way up to the 618 at 0.03136, and start making some movement to the upside. So that would be the awesome, amazing bullish scenario with BTC being so undecided. Could possibly set up with some sideways action until the market starts making some movement to the upside. Keep an eye on that support at 0.01212. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're at. So for everybody in all the coins we talked about tonight, good luck. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are reviews and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you also have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.